Hello everyone, today I'm going to walk you through how to connect your Bitget wallet to Pancakeswap. Connecting your Bitget wallet to Pancakeswap involves using the wallet's app browser to interact with the decentralized exchange on the BNB smart chain, that is BSC. First of all you need to do is just launch the Bitget wallet app on your mobile device. Then before connecting, make sure your Bitget wallet is set to the BNB smart chain network. You can usually switch networks within the wallet settings or by tapping on the network name displayed in the app. Now you need to look for the browser, the app or discover icon within the Bitget wallet app. Then you need to tap on it. In the app browser search bar, type Pancakeswap.finance and press enter. Crucially, ensure you're using the official Pancakeswap website to avoid phishing scams. Once the Pancakeswap website loads, look for the Connect Wallet button, usually in the top right corner. Then you need to tap on the Connect Wallet, select Wallet Connect or a similar option from the list of available wallets. The Bitget Wallet app will prompt you to allow the connection. Tap Approve or Connect. After confirming your Bitget wallet should be connected to the Pancakeswap, you will see a wallet address displayed on the Pancakeswap interface. Now you can use Pancakeswap to swap tokens, provide liquidity, and perform other actions on the BNB smart chain. Remember to confirm all transactions within the Bitget wallet app. Now here are some important things to consider. Pancakeswap operates on the BSC network, so make sure your wallet is set to this network. You need BNB tokens in your wallet to pay for the transaction fees on the BSC network. Always use your official Pancakeswap website and double check the website address. Be aware of slippage when trading on decentralized exchanges, and when finished, disconnect your wallet from the Pancakeswap using the methods discussed earlier. Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down below. Thanks for watching.